Welcome guys to this third episode of Advanced Excel series. In this tutorial we'll learn again the use of solver to optimize the given problem. Let's say someone wants to escape out from a prison, and this is the point where he starts its escape, and he has a getaway car located here, which is 1 mile north and 1 mile east from the point of start of escape. During this process, he has to pass the two types of land cover. One is swamp and one is the forest, and the imposed conditions here is he can only travel at the speed of 2 feet per second in swamp and 4 feet per second in forest. As the allowable speed in the swamp is less, it's obvious that one may think of traveling the minimum distance in this swamp and that comes out to be at an angle of 90 degrees from the point of start of escape. If it is so, then one should also remember that minimizing this distance will maximize this distance in the forest. So this is clearly an optimization problem. To solve this, first of all we need to express these dimensions in the form of angle. Now with these dimensions I have converted this scenario into these mathematical equations, and our main motive is to find the angle theta which minimizes this time of travel. I have created these cells and I have already inserted these equations into this cell. One thing to remember is that as we are using the trigonometric functions like sin and tan in these equations, and our input value is in angle degree, so the way Excel works is those degrees must be converted to the radian. So I have used the radian function within these trigonometric functions. Now my initial guess is if I make the angle 45 degree at the point of escape, then my time of escape will be optimized. And to check if it's correct, we can use the solver tool. In this set objective tab, I need to assign the C6 by changing this here, which is theta. It runs a series of iterations from angle 0 to 90 and calculate the minimum time using these expressions and spit out the final output. Now I click on solve, and it has found the solutions as time taken to be 44.5 minutes if the escapee runs making an angle of 65 degrees in the swamp. So this is how we have solved this optimization problem very easily with the help of solver tool in Excel. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll meet you in the next episode.